In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out the creation date of your Gmail account. This is a useful bit of information. It can come in handy for a variety of reasons, such as security checks or simply satisfying your curiosity about when you first started using Gmail. Let's dive in and go through the process together. First, I want you to go to Google Search on your browser. If you're already signed in, that's great. If not, make sure to log into your Google account. In the search bar, type in "How to know creation date of Gmail account." This search will bring up relevant information and guides that can help you find what you're looking for. It's a great starting point for the process. Once your search results show up, you're specifically looking for suggestions or resources that direct you to Google's support pages or any other reliable source that explains how to retrieve the creation date. Often, Google's Help Center will have a step-by-step guide, and that's typically the best place to get accurate and up-to-date information. One common method involved is navigating through your Gmail settings. Start by opening your Gmail and clicking on the gear icon, which will be located in the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select See All Settings. This will lead you to a new page filled with options. Look for the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. Clicking on this tab will display some information, but the key here is to check the POP download section. Particularly, you're after the status messages at the bottom, as they often include the setup history, and you might find the creation date noted here. If that doesn't help, you might want to check Google Account Security or Personal Info sections. Sometimes these sections house historical information about your account, including its creation. Specifically, within the date and privacy settings, there might be logs or activities that specify the creation period, or at least provide some clues. In some cases, if your Gmail account is linked to other recovery options, such as your phone number or alternate email, a verification step might trigger a security alert. Google often sends an email to your recovery email with the very first sign-in, so checking your backups or alternate email accounts around the time you think your account was created might yield a helpful clue. To sum up, while there is no single button that Google provides to see this creation date directly, these methods should put you in the right direction. So, whether you're searching through settings or delving into security options, you're sure to get closer to discovering that origination date of your trusty Gmail account. Remember, if all else fails, Google's support is an excellent resource to reach out to. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you uncover that elusive Gmail start date with ease.